All right, this is a room tour of Grand Suite 8260, and we are on Allure of the Seas. This is Grand Suite. As you come in, you can see how beautiful the room is. It's very nice, very large. Have our bed over here on the right hand side. One of the things right off the bat that I really like is we have two large windows here for the balcony. I'll get to that. Nice sofa. So let's just make our way back around this way, back to the front. And again, let's come over here. We are on deck 8 again. This is room 8260. And our muster station is deck 5, E2. And it's right by the Royal Promenade. It's on the Royal Promenade, kind of to the left of the Cafe Promenade and guest services. It was real easy. We came in on deck 5, so actually it was the very first thing we did. We came in on deck 5 and went right to the muster station and got that taken care of. And after you come in the room, over here on your left hand side, we have this little like a little area here to have some waters, or you can put whatever here. It's a nice little thing to have. You have storage space up here with the lock, with the safe, So we have safe, nice big safe. That's a nice big safe. So we'll utilize that quite a bit. The closets are huge. Of course, you get the robes in the rooms. You have lots of shelving in here, lots of hangers, lots of places to hang up your clothes. So I don't think that that's going to be a problem. Put your luggage. And again, lots of drawers everywhere. So right off the bat, there's lots of places for you to just unpack and put everything. Over here, underneath this little drawer here, we have the cooler. It's not quite a refrigerator, but a cooler. Keep everything cold. That's good. Up top here, we have the Lavazza coffee machine, so that's all good. Lots of places to put more shelving and stuff. This little bar area is fantastic. It's a nice little place to just kind of put some stuff as you walk back in the door. And with the coffee machine, you do have a little outlet for it in the back there. It's the only outlets I see right up here. And as you come in the door on the right hand side, then you have the bathroom, and it is such a nice bathroom. And then of course you have a full tub shower combination. Now it's not a walk-in, but it's with the tub, so you do have to step up quite high. For anybody that's mobility issues, there is a high step up over that tub. But you do have the shower combination, and you do get all the nice amenities of the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So again, this is such a nice bathroom. Just FYI, there's a small little lip small little lip to get out, and a small little lip stepping in to the bathroom, but other than that, it's nice. Come back out to the room. Nice sofa and 2 chairs, table, such a lot of room. This is a connecting grand suite. Obviously, we're not using it, but it is a connecting grand suite. That's, I believe, would be 8262, which would be on our left side, and open up those doors. You could have access with your other party. Coming over here, obviously with the TV that you see here in the middle of the room, separating out the 2 windows and the nice big bed. Over here, such a nice area to get ready or to put your computer and laptop to sit and do some work, but such a nice area. 3 big mirrors. You do have a lot of drawers. Again, there's a lot of drawers, so much places to put different things. You really can just come in and unpack. I will say that, right off the top of my head, these are the only outlets I see. And again, there are actually more shelving behind the mirrors here. So you have more shelving behind the mirrors. I do not see on the nightstands here. We have a nightstand on each side of the bed. The phone's on that side. I do not see outlets by the nightstands here or in the walls, and I do not see any USB ports on the phone. Again, this is Allure of the Seas, so it is a little bit of an older Oasis class ship. But you do have the phone. You do have nice nightstands. It's just I don't see any outlets. So any charging of your phones or anything like that in the middle of the night will have to be plugged in on the other side over there. This particular window is strictly just a window. It is not the balcony door opening. Come over here. We're going to come over here to this side and get out on this side to the balcony. The balcony is just fabulous. Such a nice sized balcony. So we're going to open that up. We are in the Port of Miami. Again, this is Allure of the Seas, and this is, again, the Port of Miami, so we are looking at the beautiful port. And if you look here at our balcony, this is so nice. We have 2 chairs with a little leg rest and a table to go right here. So nice. And here you can see the great view that you have just on embarkation day from this room of the Port of Miami. It's so nice. You see everything here. And then the skyline. It's a little overcast and cloudy today, but on the skyline of Miami. And then here to the rest of our balcony. So we are here on this balcony, and on the other side of the balcony we have a great chair, or 2 chairs and a table. It'll be fabulous to have coffee in the morning, to sit out here and just relax. So it is a large balcony. I'm going to come over here to this side now. You can kind of see what's going on this side and see. So it's really the balcony. I tell you, it's just going to be great for sitting out here on our cruise and enjoying our time, and to come back in here to get another look of the room. It's a beautiful room. And again, this is Allure of the Seas 8260 Grand Suite. And I also just want to review, when you're in a Grand Suite, you will get a letter, an email from the concierge, because when you're in a grand suite here on Allure of the Seas, you will get a letter from the concierge explaining what the benefits are. And I will post a picture of this a little bit better so that you can see what the benefits are, but they will send you a email about a week ahead of time or so in explaining what your benefits are here as a Sky Class guest. And you will get the concierge service. You will get all day access to the coastal kitchen, which means you can have breakfast and lunch and dinner in the coastal kitchen. And the food there is just fabulous. You will get specialty bottled water. You will get complimentary internet. So that is a benefit also, having complimentary internet. You do not have to pay for that. You do have priority boarding and departure. So as soon as you get here to the port, you can just go on in and get onto the ship. You have, they'll make priority dining reservations for you, get reserved seating in the entertainment venues. You also have access to the suite lounge. And then you have complimentary hors d'oeuvres and cocktails from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. each evening. You have access to the suite sun deck. And then you also, of course, we showed you the bathrobes and other things like that. But it is such nice things to have here as amenities for this particular room. And the actual suite lounge for the coastal kitchen, the crown, and the concierge lounge is actually open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. And you can have complimentary wines, certain beers, and sodas. So it is really nice. There's a lot of different amenities to have for this room. It's a fantastic room for your cruise. And again, this is Grand Suite room 8260, and it's just a fabulous here on Allure of the Seas.